Today I'm going to show you how to make apple dumplings. These are so easy, made with crescent rolls and a homemade sauce. They're syrupy and sweet, the perfect way to use up apples. These are amazing with ice cream. We're starting off with 2 apples, any brand that you like. I like Fuji or Gala. You're just going to slice those into kind of chunks. And then once those are sliced, you're going to unwrap your crescent rolls. We're using 2 cans of crescent rolls. Separate the rolls into the triangles like you're going to make the actual crescent roll. But before you roll them up, you're going to put an apple wedge on each of those crescent rolls and sprinkle a little bit of brown sugar on top. And then roll them up just like you would when you're making a crescent roll. You're going to place all of those into a baking dish that's been sprayed with nonstick cooking spray. So go ahead and place those inside, and then we're going to make the homemade sauce for these. It is a delicious homemade sauce with melted butter. You're going to use 1/4 cup of unsalted butter and 2 cups of brown sugar. I'm adding in 1 cup of apple cider. You're going to just stir that until it boils and that sugar is all dissolved. And then you're going to add ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I also add a pinch of salt. Stir that all in, and you're going to pour that sauce all over the crescent rolls in the pan, and then you're going to bake them. And the crescent rolls are going to get nice and golden brown, and that syrup's going to thicken just a little bit, and these are going to turn into the absolute perfect apple dumplings. These are perfect with ice cream. Put a little bit of that extra sauce, drizzle it all over the top. These are delicious. Making your own homemade sauce is really a game changer. I know a lot of people use Mountain Dew with this, but I just think that homemade cinnamony brown sugar syrup is so good. Don't skip that part. If you don't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel and keep watching for even more recipes.